In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Calendly link to your LinkedIn profile. Before you begin, make sure your Calendly link is ready and already copied to your clipboard. Having it prepared in advance makes this process much faster and helps you avoid switching back and forth between tabs while editing your profile. Once you're on LinkedIn, go to the top right corner of the page and click on Me. From the drop-down menu, select View Profile. This will take you directly to your public profile page where you can make changes to the information that other people see when they visit your profile. When you arrive on your profile page, look for your About section. If you already have an About section written, click the pen icon to edit it. If you don't have one yet, click Add Section and choose the option to add your About section first. This is where you can include helpful information about who you are, what you do, and how people can connect with you. Now in the About section, paste your Calendly link. You can also include any other relevant links or short descriptions you want people to see there. For example, this could be a brief note inviting people to book a meeting with you, along with any other important details that support your profile. The goal is to make it easy for visitors to understand what the link is for and encourage them to use it. As you add your link, try to keep the text clear and professional. Since the About section is often one of the first places people look, it's a good idea to place the link in a spot where it's easy to notice. If you already have a longer summary written there, consider adding the Calendly link near the end with a short call to action, so it feels natural and not out of place. Once you've pasted the link and made any other edits you want, your LinkedIn profile will now include your Calendly booking link in the About section, making it easier for recruiters, clients, or connections to schedule time with you. That's all there is to it. It's a quick update, but it can make networking and scheduling much more convenient.